name's Rocky, man, and last night I was at my friend's house, and then I came back home about 12 o'clock, and I was exhausted, and then I went to my bed. My grandma was snoring so loud, it was unbelievable, and then I was about to go to the other room, but it was full of mosquitoes there, so I couldn't go there. Then, as I was getting so fed up, I couldn't sleep because my grandma was snoring, I had to take off my socks, put them on my ears, like this, and then I had to take off my pants and put my pants on my head, like this. And there, I can't hear a thing. All you gotta do is sleep in some goofy position, then you won't have to hear a thing. You just have some nice peaceful sleep.